This video is reviewing your persuasive body paragraphs. So you've completed your introduction and now you're moving on to paragraph 2 and 3. For this video, you are going to need your persuasive brainstorm, your outline introduction completed, your outline body paragraphs that are not completed yet, and your blue transition words sheet, the cardstock I gave you at the beginning of the year. So this learning objective is I can write a paragraph using a topic sentence, supporting evidence, a conclusion, and transition words. First part of Tag plus C is adding a topic sentence. A topic sentence turns the question or prompt into a statement. It answers a question, or in our case, it makes a claim. Transition words connect ideas in a paragraph and between paragraphs. So we're going to need to use transitions in both our paragraphs and between paragraphs. Examples of transitions include first, second, third, another, as well as, and so on. Then we need to give supporting evidence. This is where we include our facts, and in our case, direct citations and quotes from the text. And we're using this to support our point of view, our original claim. And then we need to conclude. So we end or conclude our paragraph. One step we take further when we're writing our formal essays is we add in explanations. This is more information than just your typical Tag plus C. So I just want to review what an explanation is and really how we use them in our essays. So our learning objective is I can explain evidence used in my essay using an explanation. Explanations describe why the evidence supports the topic sentence. It tells your reader why the evidence is important. Example sentence starters for explanations include this shows, for this reason, this illustrates, as a result of this, etc. And the example that I'm going to be using in my essay is this shows that Camp O'Dayan is equipped to handle the specific medical needs of campers with heart disease, and they are prepared for any medical emergencies that may arise. One example that I'm going to be including in my essay. Originally in our persuasive outline, we highlighted in our thesis the two reasons that we're going to use to support our claim in our essay. So the first one I highlighted was they are fully staffed by medical professionals who are equipped to handle the cardiac needs of campers. And the second one I highlighted was they provide financial support for campers' families. So those are the two reasons now I'm going to include in my body paragraph. You can see now that I've highlighted the top of each paragraph to coincide with the highlighted information from my thesis statement in my introduction. So the first reason was the first reason in my thesis, and the second reason is the second reason in my thesis. Then, using my persuasive brainstorm, I now can just plug information in. We know we have to add a transition, we have to have a topic sentence, we're giving our citation, our explanation, we'll give a second citation, a second explanation, and then an overall conclusion. So the first part that I did was I said the first reason, because that's what I'm discussing, the first reason students at WMS should donate to Camp O'Dayan is they are fully staffed by medical professionals who are equipped to handle the cardiac needs of campers. And then I went back to my persuasive brainstorm and I said, according to the Camp O'Dayan website, 2 pediatric cardiologists are at camp for all 5 days of camp, and it has a fully equipped cardiac health center, which is staffed around the clock. So that citation supports my topic sentence. Now I have to explain that citation. I need to go into detail as to why that citation even matters. So I said, this shows that Camp O'Dayan is equipped to handle the specific medical needs of campers with heart disease, and they are prepared for any medical emergencies that may arise. I need to include a second piece of information that supports my topic sentence. So I added the transition also. According to the Camp O'Dayan website, a cardiac nurse is always with the day camp group with the appropriate emergency first aid equipment, including an AED. The explanation says this shows campers are always provided the safest environment while at camp. And then my conclusion, I have another transition word that says overall, Camp O'Dayan provides a safe and healthy environment for campers because they are fully staffed by medical professionals who are equipped to handle the cardiac needs of campers. Remember, a conclusion needs to tie back to our topic sentence and almost restate the topic sentence in our conclusion.